Hello friends, today I am sharing Sabudana Khichdi recipe. It's also called Sago Khichdi. Take a medium sized potato, peel it, take 3 to 4 green chilies, chop them and keep aside. Slice the potato into thin slice to make them cook faster while making this khichdi. If you like it, you can retain the skin of the potatoes. So now you have two ways of adding potatoes. I have already shown how to soak sabudana in my sabudana vada video, but I am doing a rewind because the amount of moisture or water content in sabudana is crucial to this khichdi. Sabudana should be washed with a glass of water. Drain the water completely and then add half a cup of water and retain very little. See to it that the granules are not dry or too soggy. After soaking for 5 to 6 hours or overnight, the granules puff. You can also store the soaked sabudana for a day or two in the refrigerator for use later. Next, we need a cup of roasted groundnut powder. Don't grind the groundnuts when they are hot. They will make the powder soggy. Along with this, we need pepper powder, curry leaves, thin sliced potatoes, chopped green chilies, cumin seeds, salt and sugar. For 2 cups of soaked sabudana, add 1 cup of groundnut powder and mix it. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix it thoroughly and keep the mixture aside. Take a wok, heat it on medium flame. Add 2.5 oil can spoon of groundnut oil. You can also use ghee if you prefer. Let the oil heat up. Add 1.5 masala spoon of cumin seeds. Let it crackle. Add 3 to 4 chopped green chilies, 5 to 8 curry leaves and saute it. Now add the thinly sliced potatoes. Saute and cook with cover for 1 to 2 minutes. The potatoes easily soften when cooked. See, like this. Now add the sabudana mixture. Stir it, mix it, cook for 3 to 4 minutes till the white granules become transparent. Sprinkle 1 masala spoon of pepper powder and stir the mixture properly. If the moisture content in sabudana is sufficient, it won't stick to the wok. That's it. Delicious sabudana khichdi is ready. You can have this with fresh curd. Let's make some curd for the khichdi. Heat roughly 2 cups of already boiled milk till it is lukewarm. Pour it into a small bowl. Add 1 spoon curd to it and mix it well. Take another bowl and churn the mixture by pouring it from one bowl to another 3 to 4 times. Once done, during summer or in hot climate, just keep it to rest in a corner. For cold climates or winter, wrap it in a cloth like this. Keep it in a thick vessel or a casserole. Close it with a lid and keep it in a dark place. In hot climate, it takes 5 to 6 hours to make curd. and in cold climate it takes longer, 8 to 9 hours. Take the bowl out from their respective storage places and now the curd is ready. You can use full cream toned milk to make thick creamy curd, and you can use the curd now or store it in the fridge for later. The combo of sabudana khichdi and curd is yummy and healthy. I am sure you would have enjoyed another fail-proof recipe from me. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thank you.